Hey!
See you!
I missed you so much. So I'm back home. That's fun. I mean, I'm always glad that, I stepped on garbage. I'm glad to be back home, and I figured that while I'm here, I'm gonna do a little thingy with the Skylark, which I'm sure you already know. You already read the title of the video. All right, so basically what we're gonna do is I'm gonna unscrew the air filter, take it off, and have the car running, make sure it's all at operating speed. And then, yeah, I'll dump a little bit of Seafoam down the center and be ready to go. So basically what I went out to Walmart to go buy is some of this Seafoam Auto Marine Fleet motor treatment. And basically what it does is you turn on your car, you get it up to operating temperature, you dump it in little by little, you get the smoke flowing, you dump it in a little, and towards the end, you pour just enough to stall out the engine, and you let it soak for a bit. It's supposed to be a huge smoke show. It cleans up a lot of like the carbon buildup that engines like accumulate over the years. And I've seen some pretty big smoke shows with just cars that have been driven for that are like 10 years old. My engine's about 30, so this is gonna be a lot. It breaks down sludge, but that said, on certain older engines, it can break down some like the old gunk that kind of like sealed in old fissures. And technically it's not supposed to be. It basically, even if it doesn't cause a leak, it breaks down gunk that's blocking leaks. So really it shows you what you really need to work on in your car. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right, so first thing you need to do, you need to turn on the car to get it to operating temperature. So let's put it in.
That's what she said.
I haven't started in this car in like 6 weeks, so this might take a bit. Let's pump it a little bit. Idle's a little bit rough. There we go. All right, it's fixing itself. I never get tired of that sound. As you can see, the first thing I'm doing is taking off the air cleaner. This is important because if I don't, I'll pour Seafoam all over the air cleaner and get nothing done. So now, I'm going to start dumping the Seafoam down the throat of the carburetor. If you look at my right hand, you'll notice that every time I pour a little bit of Seafoam, I'll adjust the throttle. This is to make sure my engine doesn't sputter out before I want it to. You're going to want to use roughly 1/3 of the bottle, depending on how much carbon your engine has. Finally, when you get a little bit of smoke going, you're going to want to put in a little bit more Seafoam and add just enough to choke out the entire engine. Stalling the engine is normal and is crucial to the Seafoam use. And now it's time to let it do a warm soak. Now that I was able to put enough Seafoam into the carburetor to allow it to kind of flood itself and kind of shut down, now it's time to do a warm soak, which means basically when your engine stalls out, leave it in the engine while it's still warm and let it work for 30 minutes. This gives the Seafoam some actual time to break down the carbon instead of just pumping it right through the system. Well, now it's been 30 minutes, so let's go check it out. Let's see how much smoke we got, see if feel any difference, so. so now the instructions basically say to, you know, drive aggressively. So Alright, so overall, I didn't feel a difference, but that said, that might mean my engine was just pretty clean. One of the things I did learn, however, because of the white smoke in the Seafoam, I realized I actually have an exhaust leak from my header, so I need to replace the gasket on that, but I'll get to that sometime later because I have no time and I do not want to go out to AutoZone right now. Overall, I didn't feel much of a difference, but that said, it's not a power adder. So if I didn't feel much of a difference, that means my engine's in good shape. At the very least, the Seafoam showed me where I had leaks in my system, which was very useful, and now I know some things I need to take care of. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, go down there, like, subscribe, do anything. I love you. So yeah, I'd recommend Seafoam. You know, it's not nothing big. It puts on a fun little smoke show, but not as much smoke as I was thinking. Maybe I did it wrong, I don't know. But yeah, it was a lot of fun. Just a little small project for me to come home, and you know, I missed working with Jasmine. So yeah, hope you guys all have a great day. Peace.